Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung coins ng Canada na tinatawag na loonie dollar. So share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang history tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys, dahil napakataas din ang kanyang presyuhan nito sa ating mga siling online. Ito yung kanyang history guys. The Canadian $1 coin, commonly known as the loonie, holds a distinctive place in Canada's numismatic history. Introduced on June 30, 1987, the loonie was part of a cost-saving initiative to replace the $1 banknote, which had a short lifespan of less than a year. In contrast, the coin was designed to last up to 2 decades, offering a significant savings over time. The original plan was to feature the traditional Voyager design depicting a voyager and indigenous person paddling a canoe on the new coin. However, the master dies for this design were lost in transit between its Royal Canadian Mints, Ottawa and Winnipeg facilities, and fearing counterfeited, officials opted for a new design by Canadian wildlife artist Robert Ralph Carmichael, showcasing a common loon gliding on water. This design led to the coin's affectionate nickname, the loonie. The loonie's distinctive 11-sided gold-colored appearance set it apart from other coins in circulation, aiding in public acceptance. Its introduction marked the most significant change to Canada's coinage system in over a half century. The coin's design remained largely unchanged until 2012, when advanced security features, including a laser mark in the shape, counterfeiting. Over the years, the Royal Canadian Mint has issued several commemorative editions of the loonie, celebrating various national anthems. This special design temporarily replaced the coin's loon, reflecting Canada's rich cultural heritage. The loonie has become more than just currency. It is a national symbol and a point of pride for Canadians, and introduction also paved the way for the $2 coin known as the toonie, which entered circulation in 1996. The term loonie has become synonymous with the Canadian dollar itself, frequently used in financial context to represent Canada's currency. In December 2023, a new version of the loonie featuring King Charles III was introduced succeeding the previous design that were the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. This update reflects the ongoing evolution of the Canadian coinage, maintaining the loonie relevance in the modern era. So, mayroon tayong 149.99 US dollar guys dito sa ating selling online sa eBay. So, mataas-taas na rin guys kasi umabot ng 8,795 pesos 40 centavos dito sa ating pira sa Pilipinas. So, yun guys ang napakagandang history dito sa ating loonie dollars ng Canada. Napakagandang coins guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.